Ciao a tutti. Today we're going to make an incredible 7-layer dip. This is known as Italian Kitchen with Roz Carrari. It's a beautiful dip that you're sure to enjoy, so grab all of your ingredients listed in the description below. First of all, you're going to need some refried beans that you spiced up. Then you're going to need homemade, if possible, guacamole, full-fat sour cream, plus your favorite salsa, whether it's homemade or from a jar. You'll also need freshly grated cheese, preferably Mexican blend, some sliced black olives. So let's begin with adding the first layer. Spread all around the spiced refried beans. Then your second layer is this wonderful fresh guacamole. And it doesn't brown because you have it layered between the beans and the next layer, which is the sour cream. Just layer it all over the pan, covering the guacamole completely. Again, this is what keeps the guacamole from turning brown. And then your fourth layer is going to be your favorite salsa. Again, that could be homemade or purchased from the store. And next, you're going to be layering on the shredded cheese. And a blend is just delightful. After the cheese, the sixth layer are the sliced black olives. And you can use as many as you want. The seventh layer is traditionally sliced green onions, including the stems themselves. But we add an eighth layer of chopped tomatoes that gives it a pop of color. It's just beautiful, much better. Spoon it out and enjoy this dip. It's better the next day, too. Buon appetito. Thanks for joining me. I hope you subscribe. And don't forget, click the like button.